So, just wanted to give you guys an update. It's been about a week since I've taken this car home, and I gotta say it's been awesome. It's been great, and yeah, so I just wanted to go out tonight and kind of just showcase the car. So look out for a small little edit, I guess. It's gonna be all handheld, so it's not gonna be all full blown out because obviously it's still stock. I gotta do some stuff with it and fix it up, but I hope you guys enjoy this little clip, and thank you for joining me on this channel. As I said in the previous video, you guys saw me clean up the exhaust. That's actually gonna go on by the time you guys see this. You guys should see the next video should be out, but other than that, we're gonna go for a little drive here and we're gonna enjoy the hot ass Arizona heat that's 110 degrees. It's insane, but we're gonna go and do a little video and just enjoy the right-hand drive of this car. It's so weird, but I'm loving it, guys. Thank you again for the support. I feel very blessed, and it's been great to do a lot more car stuff than I've been able to do in almost a couple of years. So this is truly just an amazing part for me. So love you guys. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go shoot this car and let's have some fun. So y'all, we are almost there to the spot, but just kind of hanging out and checking out the scenery. So let me know what you guys think. I know everyone here has to be a Skyline fan. There's no other car out there that is the most iconic car that's to date, right? And it's crazy, because a lot of people don't understand why cars are so important to us, and that's why I film and do my stuff, that's pretty cool. But yeah, oh snap, there's the 5.0. Have you guys ever been pulled over in a right-hand drive car? Any of you guys? Let me know, because this is interesting. So if you're here in Arizona, Gilbert is the worst place for anything, because the cops here, don't get me wrong, they do their job, it's great, but they're very picky with what they do. You're sitting around taking pictures of your cars and they'll tell you to leave and stuff, but we're not doing anything, and other people are vandalizing the places, it's crazy. Alright y'all, so we are at a famous little town in downtown Gilbert in Arizona. They just built this new garage here, so if you guys look at my old videos in the past, my edits, I actually had a ton of videos in the other parking garage just across the way. But yeah, so here we are. I'm gonna cue that cinematic look in 3, 2, 1. Alright y'all, so that was the handheld shooting with the A6000. If you guys want to know what's in my camera bag, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And also just like the video. I mean, it's typical. That's what people say, but love it, support the build. I love you guys. This is awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and there is more to come. The exhaust is getting put on tomorrow, so I'm super stoked. See you guys out there. If you guys are here in AZ or coming through, just hit me up, DM me. My Instagram is right here. We'll move, but there it is. So go and give me a follow, and I'll give you guys a follow back. Just let me know that you guys saw my channel. But love you guys. Good night, and see you later. See you later.